guys, welcome back to my channel, Me in You. I am Aarti Limbani, and firstly I want to thank each one of you for all the love and support that you guys are showing to my channel. So thank you so much guys. Today I'm going to start my video with a small story, so please do listen to it carefully. So there was a boy. He was born in 1890. When he was 5 years old, his father passed away. He had a huge responsibility to take care of his family and his two siblings too. So when he was 7 years old, his mother taught him how to cook. He started cooking in a very early age. When he was in the 7th grade, that is almost when he was 13 years old, he dropped out of school and he started working in a farm. And when he turned 16, he got hired by the railway as a labor. So, however, he got fired for fighting with a co-worker. When he was working for the railway, he was studying his law too. But you know what guys? He destroyed his legal career by getting into another fight. Like seriously, he was forced to go back home and he started doing a job there too. He started selling life insurance to the people. And guess what? He got fired from that job too. He tried almost every job and he continuously got fired from each one of the jobs that he tried. When he was 40, he started selling chicken dishes in the service station of USA. And he used to sell his food to the travelers, whoever come there. So he started selling his food there. The recipes that he had learned as a child, when he was a child, when he was 7 years old, he started cooking. So he started a new job and he started selling the dishes in the service station. 4 years later, he bought a motel. And you know what guys? It was burned to the ground, including the restaurant. He rebuilt the motel and the restaurant. But again, his life pushed him down. Because of World War II, he had to close all his shops. Whatever he opened, he had to close it because of the World War. Even in this war, he started franchising his restaurant to the different places. He got rejected not 5 times, not 50 times, not 100 times, but 1009 times. Can you imagine guys? 1009 times he got rejected continuously. But still he did not give up at that point. After years of failures and suffering and misfortune, finally he made it. He made it all. And guys, when did he start his business? He started his business at the age of 65. Yes guys, you heard me right. At the age of 65, he started his business. And not only started, but he expanded his business internationally. Do you want to know who the person is I'm talking about? Then have a look. You know who was he? He is the owner of KFC. Yes guys, the little boy who started with nothing and today he is known all over the world. He is the owner of KFC. He started at the age of 65 and he expanded his business internationally. He is Harlan Sanders, who had nothing, but today everyone knows him. I'm truly inspired by his story. This story is truly inspirational because it's a true example of how dedication and ambition along with the hard work can create success regardless of your age. Age does not matter at all. When he was 90, he passed away. He passed away in 1980. At that time, he had 6,000 KFC outlets in 48 countries. By then, in the year of 2013, he had 18,875 outlets in almost 118 countries. It's so amazing. And today, at present, in the year of 2020, the KFC outlets are almost in 150 countries. Can you imagine? He tried so many jobs. He got rejected from multiple jobs and he got fired from multiple jobs. He went in kind of depression. He lost his legal career. He got rejected for 1,009 times. He still created the largest fast food chain in the world. He did not allow anything or anyone defeat him. His story is truly inspirational for me, and I hope that even you got inspired from his story. And let me tell you one thing, guys. You cannot change your life in 1 minute. But yes, you can take a wiser decision in that 1 minute and can change your whole future. That's all for today's video, guys, and I hope if you liked my video and if you got inspired from this video, please do like, subscribe and share my channel Me in You. Me in You is trying to help the me in you.